So he gives me a picture of her, and I looked at her, and it was a nice picture. And she said she was quite beautiful, but you know, I said, yeah, she's got slim legs, you know. Anyway, the long and the short of it is, it was a very hot night. I had taken my jacket off when I went upstairs to pick her up. I rang the doorbell. She opens up. And what did I say to you?
You can say it.
I looked at her and I said, "You're very beautiful."
Yeah.
And I meant it. She was one of the most beautiful women I ever met. Really. But I guess I will say this for myself. Aside from her being beautiful and also, on the first night, I said to her, "What's your real name?" You know, Bunny. She said, "Bernice." I said, "So if you don't mind, I'll call you Bernice." She said, "You can, but I'll never answer to it." That was Bunny. Or to put it another way, when Jack Littman calls you up, I was being honored by the Criminal Bar Association. He says to her, "Bunny, I'm going to be introducing Jack."
Oh,
she
yeah.
says, "I hope it's not to a younger woman."
Yeah, that's true.
You know, I mean, you have to understand there was a lot. She was very smart. She was not highly educated in the sense, you know,
Yeah.
but she was a great artist. She really is. Freddie Simon said to me, "Marry her. She's so healthy." You know, she was psychologically healthy. She was physically healthy. She came from an intact family. So I guess, I mean, you know, you don't parse out what attracts, you know, when you say, you know, I love him or her because, there's no such thing. You either do or you don't. But in terms of what attracted me, well, it was, first of all, she was physically beautiful. She was obviously smart. She was obviously self-confident. Go out and work when you're 17